Sinfully Good mail. This is from Sin City Soaps. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right. Card, the invoice. All right, so this is the thank you card. Very cute. Oh, how cute is it? Super cute. And the business card. Why don't I follow them on Facebook? I gotta do that. Why don't I follow them on Facebook? Crazy talk, crazy talk. All right. What did I even order? I don't even know. I just knew that I had not placed an order in a while, and she had this one bath bomb that came up, and I was like, oh, I don't care if I'm broke. I need to have that bath bomb. All right. So we have, this is it actually. I believe, yeah, that's it. I'll be right back. I removed most of the packaging. All right, so this is the one that I really wanted really bad. Oh, I'm about to break it. Don't do that. This one is called Warm Weather Fairy Tale. And look how pretty it is. So beautiful. The color is just awesome. I can't smell it, but it's beautiful. Gorgeous. All right, that one was $9.50. And I got this one because I love all their Coppertone stuff, and I've had this bath bomb before and I've demoed it, but I'm probably going to demo this one as well because it's, number one, it's been a long time since I've demoed their Coppertone bath bomb, but it also looks different than the original one that I got either last year or the year before. I don't even remember. Very pretty. Oh, I wish it were summer. And look at the container it came in. And this is called just Coppertone Cupcake Bath Bomb. This one was $10. The next one is a new one. It's the Groovy Pink Skull Bath Bomb. This is a new one that Wayne created, and it's a crackling skull bath bomb. And I just thought I needed to have it because it's a new one. Plus, Wayne made it. Oh, I've got little pieces in here floating around. Oh, how cute is it? Oh, it's metal or hard plastic. Like it looks like it's metal, but I think maybe it's just an extra hard plastic because it's heavy. It's not a light piece of decoration there. Oh, I'm going to keep these. Put these somewhere where I can see them. They're so cute. They actually sit up. So, oh, how cute. All right. All right. So what's next here? Then they had a bath bomb on clearance, and I said, well, why the heck not? It's on clearance. This was their Winter Wonderland bath bomb, and it was on clearance for just $5. $5 for all of this. Just because winter's over doesn't mean it works any less. Another little item. These are going to be so cute for even Layla. She creates little fairy gardens, so maybe she can put them in her fairy gardens. Then I have, it looks like 2 freebie bath bombs. I love these because I don't know what they are or what the scent is, but on nights that my back is just really hurting and I don't really want to demo because I'm not feeling my best, I just throw one of these in there and I just get to enjoy it myself. And then finally, I had ordered a, wait a minute. Fairy Tale bubble bath and 4 ounces, and she gave me 8. I was like, I know I ordered a small one. She gave me the 8-ounce one, and then along with that, she knows I like Narcissus, so then I got 8 ounces of Narcissus. What is this, lotion? Oh, lotion. Thank you so much. That was so generous of you. So instead of getting the 4 ounce that I asked for on this one, I got 8 ounce. I was really sad on my last bit of it. It's so pretty, and it makes the water so pretty. I got the lotion, and then I got these 2 bath bombs as a gift because they're so freaking generous there. And then I also got this Warm Weather Fairy Tale gorgeous thing. Look at her. Get the flowers on there. And the color on this thing is spectacular. I got the Groovy Pink Skull Bath Bomb. Little crackling action there. Be foaming at the mouth. I got these cute little things. Cute little decorations. I got this amazing Coppertone bath bomb, which is a Coppertone, what is it, cupcake? Yes. I mean, just look at it. So pretty. And then finally, the item that I got on clearance. Gorgeous. And this is the Winter Wonderland bath bomb. This was only $5, y'all. So if there's any left, you guys can get it for $5. All right, guys, that's it from Sin City Soaps. And thank you so much. As usual, you guys are just freaking awesome. I will talk to you guys on the next one.